the journey, bread of life, wine of love. You were sent to heal our hunger as manna from heaven above. You are food for the journey that gives us strength along the way. May this food bring us together for a family and a world today. When we partake of the body and blood of Christ, we share in the grace that flows from the cross of Calvary.